everyone, it's Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I wanted to bring you last minute Halloween look that you can do this Halloween if you haven't chosen your costume yet. So with this look, all you really need is an orange color scheme, whether that's an orange outfit or of course an orange wig. This one is Jaden in red copper, which is one of the limited edition colors, which is absolutely fantastic for the fall season. If you're interested in this color or any of the other limited edition colors, you can check out our website, reneofparis.com, to see what we have available. And if you don't have it at your particular wig retailer, you can special request it if it's still available in our store. For this look, I'm going to do a very simple makeup tutorial using just some basic eyeshadows, maybe with a color scheme of orange and green for like the pumpkin color and the stem, and then also some black eyeliner to create some looks of a jack-o'-lantern around the mouth area and the eyes. You can use either black face paint or black eyeliner for this look, but I'm choosing to do the eyeliner because I figured a lot of people might already have that on hand, so it's really great for a last minute look. So to start off the makeup look, I already put on my base, so I already have a bit of concealer on, I did my brows, and a bit of blush as well, but you can just do whatever base works for you if you want to do full foundation or primer, but I just wanted to jump right into the fun part of this look. So for starters, I will be using this eyeshadow palette, but I'm going to be focusing mostly on the orange colors here. So this one here, as well as probably this one and this one for a bit of a shimmer. And then I'm also going to add a hint of green to create the effect of a pumpkin stem. So I'm going to dip into some of that orange, tap off the excess, and then go right into the outer part of the crease. Now I'm just going to blend out that edge along the top. And I'm just using a fluffy, clean brush for that. Now I'm going to go in with a slightly lighter orange shade and put that on the inside of the eye. Now I'm going to dip into a bit of this shimmery orange just to apply that on top of the dark orange that I already have, just because I like shimmer. Just gonna lightly tap it just around this area. Now I'm also gonna tap into a bit of this shimmery, very light shade and just put that on the brow bone. And on the inner corners of the eye. Now I'm just going to use a very small brush and just tap lightly into this green color. Tap off the excess, you don't want to get green everywhere. And you can even skip this step and stick with a purely orange look, but I thought it would be fun just to add a touch of green, so I'm going to put that just right over here on the side. And just a little bit under the eye. Now the next thing we're gonna do is go in with the jack-o'-lantern face paint. So I'm just gonna use black eyeliner for this. We're gonna start with the jack-o'-lantern mouth, so just make sure you remove any lipstick that you already have on. If you want, you could put a lip balm over this because the eyeliner might dry out your lips a bit, so you wanna make sure they don't look too dry once you have the eyeliner on. So I'm gonna start off with a black pencil liner just to do the outline, so it's a little easier to remove if I do mess up and wanna change the shape. So I would suggest tracing out the shape that you wanna do the mouth in on paper first, so you can just follow along and make sure it's symmetrical. I know this looks quite ridiculous so far, but trust the process. Right now I'm kind of drawing almost what looks like the top of a rook chess piece. And once you draw that, then you can start going up into a smile. Then let's do the same on the bottom. So there's the outline, and then you're just going to want to color it in with your black eyeliner. If you wanted to, you could also just put black lipstick on and fill out the rest with eyeliner. Once you're done with the mouth, you could also put a triangle right on the tip of the nose. Then for the eyeliner, you could just do regular eyeliner, or you can draw right side up triangles around the eyes. You could draw little diamonds, or maybe one triangle on top, one triangle on the bottom. So with that part, you have a little flexibility to do what you want to do, or you can just keep it a little more simple. I'm going to start drawing in right side up triangles with the point on the top, but I'm going to use an angled brush with some black eyeshadow, but just a touch of it, just to kind of do the outline. Then I'm going to connect that triangle to the crease and just make a little bit of a cut crease. And then I am just going to add my regular cat eyeliner because I just feel like that makes every makeup look a little bit more complete. I'm going to fill in the waterline with the black pencil. And an optional final step for the makeup is just to pop on a pair of fake eyelashes. I'm just going to add a hint of blush to the cheeks. And just a bit of highlighter to the cheekbones. For one final touch, I'm also just going to add a couple of rhinestones. I put 2 on either side of the eyes, 1 above the little triangle above the eyes, and then 1 on either corner of the mouth. Now let's jump into the outfit portion. So here is the outfit that I put together. I chose this orange shirt because I thought it was very fitting for a pumpkin look, especially because it has a pumpkin on it, but you can just use whatever orange clothing pieces you have. If you don't have a lot of orange in your wardrobe, you can mix it in with maybe some black clothing and maybe a bit of green clothing as well, because that can be the color of the stem of the outfit. So I went with this black skirt because I didn't have an orange skirt, but I feel like it fits the vibe just the same. Then to add hints of green for the stem, I decided to go with this fake ivy that I got from a craft store for pretty cheap. You could definitely use this to just wrap around your body. You can add it to the hair so you have the green stem next to the orange in the red copper of Jaden. I also had these leg wraps from an old Poison Ivy costume and I thought it worked really well with this as well because it looks like a pumpkin stem. I have one for each leg, but I thought it looked cute having it just on the one leg with the black and orange striped socks underneath. So as far as the outfit, those are just some suggestions that you can use just to kind of get your creativity flowing and just kind of do your own version of it. And then it ends up being a really great last minute costume if you don't have one picked out already. If you go with this look for this Halloween, be sure to tag us on Instagram if you post any pictures at René of Paris. We'd love to see what you come up with. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more wig tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.